Hi, I'm Heather Parks. I'm with Eagle Creek Golf Club. I am here today to talk to you about questions to ask your wedding venue. When you're looking for your wedding venue, it is a very big decision. So we like to, first of all, you need to know the date, if the date is available. So always ask if the date's available. And then if there are different prices based on the different days. So if there's a different price for a Saturday or a Sunday, what the price is included, what the price is setup included, are all the rentals included, what are additional prices that could possibly come up. You also need to ask what is required from your vendors. Do you need to use the vendors that they require you to use, or can you bring in your own vendors? And if so, what type of paperwork is required for that? Then it's always good to find out some samples of floor plans and if there's different ways to set the room up, if you have access to be a part of that, or if that's something that you have to use just the way that they do it. And then a lot of the times, I always have the questions for the food. So sometimes some venues will let you bring in your own catering, and that's great. Other times you have to use their catering. So with that, it's always important to ask if you can customize your catering. So with catering, sometimes there's different ethnic, food items that you need to choose, and also some dietary restrictions, if that's allowed, if there's different prices for that as well. A lot of the things that brides will ask me will be about setup times too. So how much time do you have? Are you required to do your setup, or do you have to have the staff do it? How is that process, and how involved you and your family or your bridal party has to be? There are lots of questions that come up all the time, so different things can change the answers and change possibilities. I know we're very flexible with some things as long as it doesn't interfere with our day-to-day services and other events. We're happy to make everything customized for you. Thank you.